Hello everyone, welcome to AM Finance Academy. I have already said you what is finance. That is flow of money from a surplus area to a deficit area. So today we are dealing with the type of finance in the way in which especially financing has to be done. I am describing these small topics today and the brief or the elaborate description I will give you later. The help of this I want to go ahead. That is what I want to also want to know you that what is financial management also. So let us learn this together. So types of finance, as we are knowing that the types of finance is of three types specially: private, corporate, and public. But the way in which the financing has to be done, that is again of two types. That is again we can say one is equity and another is the debt. Okay, so the elaboration about equity and debt I'll give you later. So let us learn what is private finance. Private finance is related to the individual, especially how a individual is managing privately, especially shopkeeper. He is also doing that. He is also calculating his profit and loss. He is analyzing his financial position at the end of each month, how much profit he have. So everything is included within this private finance. So now let's go to corporate finance. Especially in this type of activities, business organizations like profitable organization as well as non-profitable organization are included within this type of things, which includes the financial statement analysis, the interpretation, and finally the decision-making process. Especially in corporate finance, we are including the activities like first of all planning. You can say that is financial planning. Secondly, we are forecasting or budgeting that. Thirdly, raising fund. How we will raise the fund, or from the which source we are getting the funds. Then we are investing that funds, and at last we are monitoring that, or we are controlling that. So I can say that first we are in corporate finance, especially first financial planning is being done. After that we are budgeting or forecasting the results by comparing with the previous one, or from the new start we are starting. So next we are thinking about rising fund, from which sources will rise the fund, or from which sources will get the fund. After that, after getting fund, we are thinking that how to invest that fund so that we will get a better return. And monitoring, especially we are reducing wastages and reducing misuse of funds, and we are controlling the financing activities. So especially in corporate finance, these things come. In public finance, we can say public finance is related to state government, central government, or the local government, we can say. This finance is specifically related to income and expenditure of the government. Income, we can say that is tax and revenue. All these things government is getting from us. And expenditure, how government is utilizing, how much it is utilizing, and what is the result at the end of each financial year. That's all. So let's go to another part, that is the way in which we are financing. Especially there are two more effective ways, that is equity financing and debt financing, or equity finance or debt finance. Equity finance is something like, if you are the owner of the business, you are investing into your own business, that is equity. If you are borrowing money from someone, then it is debt, and you are paying a fixed rate of interest to them. But in equity, either you are investing into your business, or you are making partner for your business. That means you are sharing your ownership. You are taking money or fund from someone who is having his rights into your business. That means you can say that your ownership is divided. Suppose your total business is value of your business will be 50 lakh, but you require 50 lakh, or your business value of your business is 50 lakh, you have 25 lakh and you want another 25 lakh. So you are sharing your business activities, and another partner is coming to, like, suppose you are A and you are inviting another one is B. So B will have also same share as you. So we can say that this is equity. But the debt, in case we are taking loan from bank or financial institutions, or we are issuing debentures which having a fixed rate of interest, fixed percentage of interest we are giving to them. So they do not have any what we can say ownership in our business, or they don't have any rights. Only they will give us money, or we are borrowing money from them, and we are paying a fixed rate of interest to them. So actually we can say that equity and debt, these two finance, this will take a lot of time to understand, because this is a very vast topic. So let us know these things only, and we will proceed further towards financial management. What is financial management? So as we know, finance is nothing but the flow of money from a surplus source to a deficit source. Yes or no? So overall, finance includes what? Flow of money. That may be money or funds or money's worth. So specially, the management of three things will be coming into, or will be togetherly called as financial management, and nothing else. So we can say that the financial management is nothing. It is the branch of management which deals with the sources of fund and the application of fund. So the financial management is nothing but it is a branch of management which deals with the sources of fund and the application of fund, is known as financial management. Especially in these things, we are finding out the sources, from which sources we will get money, and in which sources or where we have to utilize that, so that we will get a good return for our company. Actually, the rate in which we are raising the fund and the rate at which we are gaining the return, that should be more than that. So especially this is the work of a financial manager. Actually, he is dealing with the sources of fund and the application of fund, so that better return will be gained by the company. So this is what financial management is also talking about. So financial management, we can say, so this is a very good specialization in the nowadays. Especially it's a very, you can make this as a very useful career in financial sector, and financial management is one of them. So why I introduce this financial management into these topics, because in the next video I am going to tell about the career. Actually, if you choose the finance specialization, what are the career options you will get, especially career in finance. If you are pursuing PGDM in finance or MBA in finance, what is the career opportunity you are going to get? So this is specially related to financial management also. One of the most important field is financial management. So if you are liking my channel video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.